everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. I'm just filming this with my iPhone, but here are all the tree ornaments that I have made. It is not a lot. It's about a shoebox full right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on my tree and see how many more I'm gonna need, but I think this might be it for this year. I don't think that I'm gonna have time to make any more. So I'll get them on my tree and then I will let you see what it looks like, but I have a feeling I'm gonna be making some more for next year to add to it. Okay, so my tree is all decorated with my handmade decorations. It's a little sparse, and in the back of the tree, there's not much over there. And this is what it looks like. I got the colored lights on this year. But I have all my handmade ornaments on there, including the diamond dot ones that I did. But I think it looks pretty good. And then my tree skirt, you can't really see it because I already have gifts under there, but that wasn't handmade. I didn't quite have time to make a handmade tree skirt, but this year I decided not to put my star on the tree. And I actually have this little elf hat that I crocheted a couple years ago, and I'm using that as my tree topper this year. So this is, sorry, I'm in a corner right here. This is my tree. I'm gonna see if I can get some video of it in the daytime. It's night right now, but yes, as you can see, kind of see, there's not much on the back of the tree. So I might have to make a few more ornaments for that. So here is my fireplace. I'm just going to show you a couple of my decorations. So I made that about 2-3 years ago. My little pine tree. This I just made this year, which I forgot to turn the light on. My snow globe, my placemat, and then this is my shelf that I have lights on year round where I keep stuff. And I have some of my decorations from my YouTube channel. Well, they're mostly decorations all from my YouTube channel. This is not the little Noel ones that I made, or I bought the jars and put that all together and put the vinyl on. My birch logs, and more of my crafts. That one you can't really see because it's dark. And then this little guy, I crocheted him, oh gosh, quite a few years ago. But as you can see, he's in the blue color, which I love. Garland I just bought this year off of Amazon. It was lighted, but I bought some blue lights to put in there. But that looks super beautiful, but it is very, very flocked. And it did make a mess when I put it up there, but it is on a curtain rod, a tension curtain rod. Then over here I have a corner shelf in my dining room, and I have some of my stuff that I made over the years and miscellaneous other Christmas decorations. Here I have my peace bulb that I made, and then if you pan over in my kitchen here, I have my gnome that I made. This I made from a Dollar Tree gnome, hanging gnome, which I think he turned out so cute. I love this little guy. Wreath that I made, I think that was last year. Oh, if we pan back over here, this guy I crocheted a long time ago. If I had to say, like maybe 10 years ago. And then I have some more stuff on my entertainment stand that I made. And then this wreath, which I just made this year. And then I have my candy cane, which also lights up, which is very, very, very pretty. I love this candy cane wreath. Last thing is this crocheted wreath, which I made a long time ago. And yeah, that snowman, he's a little scary. I just got some shiny diamonds for eyes, but this is all crocheted with some Dollar Tree decorations on it. Okay, so this is my tree in the daytime. It is not very bright out today, so it's kind of hard to see. I was hoping for a little bit of sunlight. All right, and here it is without the multicolored lights, with just the white lights. But I think I need to make a few more ornaments for the tree for next year. But I think it turned out pretty good. You'll have to let me know what you think. And over here, we have little Lily taking a nap. Hi, Lily. She's like, no. My little girl's 13 years old. She's like, I'm sleeping, Mom. Yeah? Baby. All right, that is it. Well, I hope that you guys had a great Christmas because this video is coming out after Christmas. But I just want to say thanks for watching my channel. It's been a really great year. Say thank you to all my subscribers. I have over 2,000 now, so that's pretty exciting. And take care. Hope you had a great Christmas. Happy New Year. Bye.